welcome. We're going to make some apple pie this morning. It's that time of year. We're going to be doing American apple pie and all that good stuff. So we're going to go ahead and make a crumb topping apple pie. And then soon I'll be posting another video that is an apple pie, but it's with a regular crust on the top, obviously underneath. But it's actually somebody I grew up with. But today, I'm not going to get sidetracked. Today is the crumb topping pie. Please join me, shall you? As you can see, there's many different ways to do this. Got a little excited there. That might be too big. I have a couple here. This one's going to cook faster than this. So we're trying to make them pretty even. This is the knife I'm using to peel and cut my apples with. I have a smaller knife. It fell behind my oven because I have the fancy little setup over there with the magnets. Apparently it wasn't on the magnet when I let go, and it's behind the oven. So until I'm allowed to move an oven, or I remember to ask my husband to do it, it stays behind the oven. What I like about using the melon baller is there's less waste, it seems like. I've used my knife. I actually have this, which I know everyone's probably thinking right now, why aren't you using this? We're going to try this. I also have this that my daughter brought me. Ergonomic, blah, blah, blah. So I do like using this because it's a nicer handle, as you can see. But we're going to go ahead. It's not that nice. It's thin on the inside. But we're going to go ahead and try that. Stay focused, Julia. We're going to go ahead and try this one also. My grandpa used to grow apples on his farm up in Modesto, California, among many other things. Chickens were involved. Whole irrigation system there. It's good memories from as a child going to visit them. And it'd be an irrigation day, and we'd be able to play in the irrigation water, which as a child was amazing, especially in the hot Modesto heat. As an adult, I'm like, that's so gross. So as you can see, I just did an extra peel on the brown bruised spots, and generally that'll make it go away. And then you're not wasting a bunch of apple. You don't want to throw the whole apple away for one little bruised spot. That'll wash my hands. My hands are gross. Big ol' X. The brand's good. This style, Oh. So I'm almost at 4 cups. And this is my 3rd apple. So that's great. I have some watered down orange juice. I'm going to put a little citric on this so that it quits browning. You can do lemon juice, you can orange juice. Now it's time for this test. Okay, so here we are. Oh my gosh, yeah, I don't know about, oh, no, that's okay. Okay, so I like this, but I still like my paring knife better. Oh my gosh, I'm cutting too thick today on this one until I'm at the end of it. I did 5 apples. It made 6 cups. Okay, we are going to go ahead and do the flavoring, the sugar, the flour, the cinnamon that go in with our apples. So we have brown sugar, flour, cinnamon, Dump that on there. And try not to make a mess all over the camera stand. And we're just gonna let it sit here for a minute while we get the crumb topping going. Okay, looks pretty well coated if you ask me, and there's a nice syrup on the bottom. We're gonna go ahead and make our crumb topping. Flour, brown sugar, cinnamon, okay, we're gonna add some melted butter gradually until it's all combined. Okay. Just keep stirring it together till it's all combined. Oh yeah, that looks good. That was easy. Okay, so now we get to combine it all. We have the pie shell done. We have our apples resting and happy. We have our crumb topping smelling delightful. And now we dump. Okay, there's that. Try to spread out your apples evenly. Don't worry about the stuff at the bottom because it's going to cook and bubble up and soften and be happy. In theory. All right, and now comes the crumb topping. You know, I'm just going to dump it in the middle and spread it out. Let's see what happens. Oh yeah, that will be good. I got some Costco aluminum foil. It is so stinking heavy. I don't even know. It's heavy and there's a lot here. So we're going to put aluminum foil around the edges of the pie crust. We're going to cook it for 25 minutes, remove the aluminum foil, and then bake it for 20 to 25 more. I'm cutting it in strips. Trying to make them about the same size. You get one of those silicone crust covers. And while I don't normally make pie, this is now officially my second pie I've made in the last month. So maybe I should invest. Perfect. Turn it around so you can see what I'm doing here. It's a little harder to do from this angle. So I'm also going to put a cookie sheet underneath it while it bakes because I don't like cleaning my oven. So I don't want to have a reason to have to do that. I also don't like spills and messes, but I do make a good fair share of my own. Here we are. Had to reheat my coffee because it got cold while all that was going on. So as you can see, I have about an hour till work. I like to cut it close apparently. What do you like to make for Memorial Day or your patriotic holidays? While Memorial Day isn't necessarily a celebration, it is a time where a lot of families get together and spend time together. But we also have, in America, we also have Flag Day coming up. We have 4th of July coming up. And it is 250 years this year for us in our country. So what are you planning? Do you have any special events you're planning? Any special shindigs? Let me know in the comments below. We're going to go ahead and take this off. I can hear it cooking. It looks nice and brown. We're going to take it out and take a look. What do you think?
I think it smells better than it looks.
I'm like, what? Wait, that wasn't very nice.
It smells pretty good.
It smells amazing. It does look a little bit rustic, I think is the term.
I don't know.
This is a rustic pie, Fred. Try to class it up a little bit. People pay $20 for this pie.
They pay $50 at the local pie
yes.
shop.
Yes, they do. Don't worry, I would not charge you $50 for this. Oh, that's good. That's on video.
Of course it did.
Do you see what he did?
It's my candle.
It's not on my candle.
Okay, am I free to eat now?
You can eat now.
Thank you. Ice cream is amazing.
Does it help anymore?
The pie is also amazing. Is this where we get eating noise on the screen?
Probably. From the microphone.
The one that you love so much?
And you're playing music over this. Very good. Lots of good cinnamon.
Excellent.
Good texture.
Excellent.
We've got excellent on hand as a review.
I look thinner the further back I stand.
I'll go stand on the patio.
It's not far enough.
What was it happening?
Thank you, dear.
For you, it's not far enough, or for me?
I thought you said go stand on the patio.
No, I said I'll go stand on the patio. You said that's not far enough. So how you meant it?
35 years. You're counting them up in your head, aren't you?
I am. I feel like it's almost 36, though.
More like 40.
No.
45 since I met you. You couldn't cook then.
Nope.
All right. Well, that was excellent.
This is really good.
So try that.
Try it.
It's really good with the Aldi's ice cream on it.
Oh, yeah.
5 ingredients. And you can read them all. Or if you're in another country, Aldi's. Or another country, Migros.
I'm going to turn this off so I can quit hearing myself eat.
Excellent.
Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed his entertainment. Just remember, Jesus loves you. Thank you for watching. Apparently, I forgot to turn on the camera again. Because I had a little bit more than... Why are you doing this to me? Come here. Okay. Fuji, not fishy, because that's weird. Fishy apples. Can you imagine the smell of that? Oh my gosh, it's so gross.